Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I packaged my second client wig and everything I've learned from the first time I did it. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so right here, I'm just showing you a thumbnail of a client wig, my first client wig packaging that I did a video on. I'll try to leave a link in the description down below. And there was a few things that I learned in the process and I'd like to share with you. And maybe you can help me make a better wig packing situation. Okay, so right here, I'm showing you a clip of me trying to place my, my first client wig in a box. And as you can see, the box is too big because I have my my goodies bag underneath that, and it was a bit tight. So just showing you all the stuff I had to put in there, and it was a pretty bad situation, I think, and I think it could have been improved. Okay, so what I did was I asked the viewers, how could I possibly improve the situation, because I did feel like the box was way too small for the wig, and I felt like it was crushing it. So I had gotten a comment from Ella E. Thank you, Ella E. She says, yes, the only thing I would change is a larger box size box, and I do think you need to pin curl as well, just so that they last longer. And so I thanked her for a comment, and I decided to do that with this wig. Okay, so right here, I'm just showing you the wig in question. This is my second wig that I'm going to be shipping to a client. And right here, I'm showing you that I pin curled the hair as best as I could, keeping it pretty flat at the top because everybody wears it with the curls pretty much at the bottom. So I'm untacking it against the head, and then I'm going to put the net on it. So yeah, right here I'm just showing you the inner portion of the wig, and it's very secure, and I hope I didn't puncture anything. But this is the net that the wig actually came in, so I didn't have to buy any other nets. And I'm going to attempt to move this all about the wig so that I keep the shape and it doesn't get crushed in the process, or that it'll keep the curl. And right here, I'm just showing you the little things to make it like a glueless wig that the manufacturer made. I didn't make this. So it has like hooks so you can hook it up in the back. And I made sure I had to get the two different ones because I took it off to wash the wig and everything. So basically, I'm just putting it back into place. So here it is in place. You have your little wig with the straps so you can strap it to your head. And it's adjustable because it has different lengths, I guess you could say. So right here, I'm just going to stuff it with tissue to kind of keep it from going flat at the top. And I'm going to use the net and secure it even further, so I guess anything won't come loose. Right here, this is the box that I'm going to use. In this particular case, I'm not using my box that I had the first time. I'm thinking maybe next time I'll just put the wig in the box and the goodies on the side. That's what I think I'll do. And so right here, I'm just stuffing it the box with the paper, the tissues that I had got on Amazon. And I think I'm overdoing it because the wig actually sits too high, and then when you put the bag with all the goodies, you know, with the eyelashes and all that stuff, it was too high, so I had to take some of that tissue out in order for it to work. So I'm just showing you what it looks like, and then I realized it was too much, so I'm taking some of that tissue out and trying it again. Okay, so this is the packing paper that I purchased from Amazon that I just mentioned. Here is a couple of images to let you know which one I purchased. And I mean, it's pretty good. It's just, you know, packing paper. And it's a huge sheets. And they're good for keeping everything in place, I guess. So it's a 4.8 out of 5, which is a pretty high rating, 87%. So that's pretty good. So right here, same as I did the last time. This is the melting stretch band, or whatever you want to call it. This is the wig cap that you put underneath the wig. And here are some eyelashes, my favorite eyelashes. So it's like the JLo lashes at my local beauty supply store that I purchased. So I'm putting all of that in the little bag that I had gotten off of Paper Mart, which is coincidentally the same place I had gotten that box from. So I just got both of them in black, and I'm putting it in the box, and I layered a few more papers on the top. So that's what you see me doing here. And then I have my business card, my thank you card, and a corrected address card, because I had an issue with this is description. She had asked me to write the description, so when she goes to mention my product online, she can give you a full description. This is the corrected business address, because the business cards I have at this time didn't show the correct address. I had to change that, which I have a video coming pretty soon about that, so just keep an eye out for it if you're interested. So this is my business card. You see the front and the back. Apparently you can't write on the well, at least with the marker, the black marker, permanent marker that I would prefer to use, like I use with the thank you card and the corrected address card. So I'm just putting it in an envelope. Like I said, I'm not licking no envelope. So I'm just going to put that in as is. And okay, so right here I got some tape, and I'm just going to tape the box, seal it up really good. So that's what you see me doing here, just working on getting that nice and even and everything. And right here is the completed package. Everything feels secure. It doesn't feel like anything bouncing all around on the inside or like banging on anything. So I think I did a great job this time. Like I said before, I think I'm going to use the box, because I mean, what is the purpose of me buying those boxes if I'm not going to use it anyway? So I'm going to put the box with the wig and then the little goodies on the side of the box. That makes any sense? If you have any suggestions, I would really appreciate it to make my wig packing a better experience for a client. So just drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think. How could this have been improved and stuff like that? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.